A German tank is knocked out by a bazooka during the Allied invasion of Normandy. The crew of an American 57mm anti-tank gun fire on a German defensive position, in the tower seen in the background, Aachen, Germany, the 15th of October 1944. June 6, 1944, D-Day landings under German fire. (1942) German troops in action during the Battle for Stalingrad, a costly defeat for the German. June 1944, American paratroopers having made successful landings at Utah Beach, advance cautiously through a French cemetery at St. Marcouf. The crew of the United States Coast Guard Treasury-class cutter USCGC Spencer, WPG-36, watch one of their depth charges explode as they defend the Liverpool-bound convoy HX-233 from attack by the German Kriegsmarine Type IXC submarine, Unterseeboot U-175 southwest of Ireland in the North Atlantic Ocean. During the Battle of the Atlantic on 17 April 1943, U-175 sank following the engagement with the loss of 13 crewmen from the submarine's complement of 54 including the Kapitanleutnant Heinrich Bruns.